Well, Barracuda sold finally. Been in the house since my grandparents got it when they got married, 1965-ish. This is a 1965. Look at that weird rear windshield. Say that 5 times fast. This thing is pretty sweet. I've had offers for people to just buy the rear windshield, but what are you going to do with the rest of the car without a windshield, right? Anyway, finally sold. So it will no longer be rosting away in our yard. Yeah, it's pretty grimy on this side from being here for so long. But that's it. Barracuda, say goodbye.